Hello and welcome to Vintage Cameras and Film Tips, where we look at yesterday's cameras and today's film photography. I'm Dennis, and today we're going to do a short tutorial on loading film into an Africa Isolette folding camera. If you could take a moment and hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, it would be greatly appreciated. Let's get to it. Today we're doing a short tutorial on putting film in an Isolette folding camera. It'll be the same for most all folding cameras. But I'm going to be using some foam pan, which I use for my everyday shooting at the price of film today. If I was going to do something else special, make pictures or something, I'd use some Ilford or some Fujifilm, something like that. But so anyway, get to putting film in. Okay, got the film unboxed. Push the slide down, open up the back of the camera. Now, if you just got the camera, more than likely you're going to have the film spool over here on the right where it was emptied. So how are you going to take care of that? You just slide that out, pull this down, pull that out, pull this up, slide this into the bottom, slide it in there, and then you got to just work the slot into the slot on the take-up reel. Finish and open up your film. Now we've got this opened up. So now what we do is put this right on the top. That on the bottom. Push it back down. We'll pull the film across a little bit. Slide it into the take-up reel, hold it, get it started. Make sure it's going okay, it didn't slip on the take-up reel. See the start, you still got plenty of time. See on the back here it says you got 12 pictures for 6x6, 8 pictures for 6x9, and you got 16 pictures, 4.5 by 6. So it can be used for 3 different styles of cameras. But so anyway, you got your film in, close it up, slide your little window down. I'm not real sure you're going to be able to see this, but you'll see all kinds of stuff start going by. And then you'll start seeing some dots. And the dots will start counting down. So when you see those, you know you're getting close. This still haven't got to the dots yet. Okay, there's first dot, second dot, smaller dot, and now you're at picture 1. Slide your whittle window up, and you're all ready to go. Now I suggest, I only did this for the tutorial, taking it up to the #1 picture. But once you get it started and you got it taken up on your reel and you know it's not going to slip or anything, I would close the camera and I wouldn't do anything until I got out in the field. And that way you don't accidentally, if you open up the camera and you're messing with the shutter, you don't accidentally take a picture. So that's it on the tutorial on how to install film into an Isolette. And like I say, the Isolette 1, 2, and 3s, they're all exactly the same. When you open it up in the back, most folding cameras this size, the 6x6 folders, they'll all install the same. So that's it for this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you could give it a thumbs up, that would be great. That'll be it for today, so grab your camera, some film, and get out and take some pictures. See you in the next video.